Look, that's how deep it is. They just, look at Sylvie. Chipper! Chippy! They went off to the side.
I need to get a picture of you.
Go!
Running?
Yeah.
Do it! Oh, you're up on it.
It's hard to steer it. It just... Badly, hands up!
Hands up!
She's spinning. She's spinning. Bradley, move Chipper!
Did you get that?
Yeah.
Riley, stay right there. Stay right there, Riley. Look. Look up.
Y'all bump that hill.
She just screams. Where you go? That was awesome!
What is she doing? What a dork. Move Chipper, Bradley.
I am!
There she goes spinning again. Move Chipper! How you? Oh, poor Chipper.
Watch out, Bradley. Don't get in the way of the camera. Man, they stopped. Oh, no. Oh, God. Here he goes. Oh, God.
Hands up!
Feet up! Put your feet up! Oh, God. Bravo! Bravo!
Hill number 2.
Yeah, this is a different hill. I hadn't been on it. But Brooke just made a meltdown about it.
Yeah, it's not.
Who took pictures of y'all about the snow? Hey, Brian.
So it's to Bailey's
snowball.
knees. Past your knees. To your waist.
To my hand.
Let me get some pictures of y'all about that.
We'll get some pictures of us. Okay.
It's filming.
Get back into it. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh, you did do it, bro!
Go.
Oh, this ain't good.
Was it as fun as you thought it was going to be?
Yeah.
That's the front yard, wowzer. Oh, look at Bradley.
We got 6 seconds now, Angel.
Look. Oh, her first snow angel.
Okay, wait. Here, give me your hands. I can lift you up out of it. Ah.
Oh, he really looks like an angel, Brad. Okay, here it goes. Go. Now run and tackle.
I can't see anything.
You're gonna be cold. Run and tackle on this snow mound, Brad.
Tired.
Oh, you went.
I did all that work, now I gotta do it all
I
over.
noticed that.
But I couldn't help it.